Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about electric charge and the Coulomb's law. Let's get started. So first, electric charge is a physical property that any material has, and this electric charge is what allows that object to experience a force due to an electromagnetic field or an electrically charged matter. Charge is measured in unit coulombs. And here we see a diagram of a positive charge right next to a negative charge. And what we see are these lines, which are called equipotential lines. So let's dive into how this actually works. So positive charge is carried by protons. You might know in your chemistry class that proton is like 1 unit of positive charge. And how you can actually transfer positive charge is by rubbing glass with silk. This makes